Hey guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn the whole wizard feature tool of the SolidWorks. For use this, if you want to make the whole at here, okay, you can use the whole wizard. So click on whole wizard tool. Here multiple options to make the hole. There's a hole types like first one is a counter ball hole, second one is a counter sink hole, third one hole only hole, okay, straight tap, tap, and legacy hole, slot hole, countersink slot, and counterboard slot, etc. And the type, for example, simple, seat rail. I'm using. You will learn about the simple. Okay, in this tutorial, simple hole. Okay, the dimension or another things is there. Select the counterboard standard of NC metric. Metric means mm. NC inch matlab it means it will take the dimension in inch. I am taking the NC metric. Type, I want to make the whole of type hex type, in that is NC B180 18.2.3.1. okay, now size of the hole is M6 fit, close, normal, and loose. I am selecting the close fit, means it will completely closed. Okay, now you can come here, you can see the distance of the two edges of the holes. No problem, we will discuss. Now select the position, click on 3D sketch. In 3D sketch, select the face, okay, at where you want to get the hole. Okay, no problem. If you want to give the dimension, just right click and select the smart dimension and click on center, and this center I want to give the dimension of 50. Okay, not 50, I think so 55 is perfect. And one more relation, that is this center and this center should be coincident. Sorry, delete, control Z, delete, along x, along y, along z. Here along y we have to select along y, click on OK. Okay, now you can see the our sketch is also fully defined, and click on OK. Okay, now you can see the hole is made it with countersink counter bore, that is distance. You can change this distance from here. Okay, from here this hole is completely throw all, because we have not it is the condition is throw all. You can also select the multiple option from surface, vertex, up to next, and etc, etc. Select the throw all. Okay, for side counters, if you want to give, you can give here. Okay, now here is the tolerance. I am not taking any tolerance, none, that is none also. Okay, click on OK. Warning, your system running. In SolidWorks this warning will come many time, but please click on yes. Okay, no problem. Here the hole is made it. If you want multiple holes, so you can see, click on circular pattern, select the circular direction, that is this. Okay, now it will automatically taking this feature. Then if we want to multiple holes as we require, okay, you can see I am taking the 12 holes. Okay, at a equal spacing. There's a multiple instantaneous spacing or in equal spacing. Equal spacing means it will automatically converting in divided by with 360. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see the our final product is going to be made it. This product file I will provide you in description. You can just click on link and you can download this. Okay, I think you will enjoying this tutorial. If any query, you can ask me directly in this in comment section. Okay, thanks for thanks for be connected with me. In next tutorial we will discuss more about. Okay, I'm explaining more, that is revolve cut. This revolve cut is same as the revolve boss feature. As we see the extrude cut, that is same like the base extrude boss use for you add the solid part. Okay, add material. To add the material we use the solid boss, and to remove the material we use the extrude cut. Same like we for add the material we use the revolve boss, and to cut the material we use the revolve cut. Okay, same as like before. Okay, now this feature, that is cut, means it will remove the material. Okay, by removing material, two more profile, the first last or the first and last profile can be point. If the cut affect the multiple bodies in multi-body parts, you can select which body to keep in the bodies to keep dialog box. Okay, so this all is same before as we used. Okay, like revolve cut, swept cut, lofted cut, boundary cut is same. It's only used for cutting the or removing the extra materials which you do not want in our part. Okay, in this in this next tutorial we will see the fillet feature. Okay, advanced fillet feature. So let me connect with me. Thank you.